My new Floundering boat has got through getting rigged out. It had LED lights on the front of it. It has a non-conventional fan drive, which is hydraulically driven. We have the hydraulic reservoir. Electronically proportional flow control. We have a competition 3-blade 36-inch prop, composite prop. Mounted on a double bearing, and then a hydraulic motor driving it. A little circuit in there to keep it from locking up. We're at free coast. Have a hydraulic pump in the engine. Have the alternator mounted coming out of the hydraulic pump drive. Have manual steering. Have your light control panel for your LEDs. You have your underwater lights, your above water lights, or a combination of both. Underwater light bar. Flow control, proportional electronic operator. Steering level going to the steering cable in the back. Above water LEDs. Below water LED light bar. Winch, a little small winch that I manufactured out of a little gearbox to lower the lights into the water. LED running light to see where you're going. And that's about all of it.